Hi guys, it's me G18. So I was confused which laptop should I get. The HP Omen 17-inch with 16:9 for RTX 470 or the Asus ROG 18 with the 460 RTX 460 but with 18-inch screen 16:10. Let's go inside and let me show you. The HP Omen is the mechanical keyboard, but it comes with 1 year warranty only and 16:9. But I love mechanical keyboard. It's good for typing. But again, it's only 17.3 inch, 16:9. So let me show you some laptop here. So as you can see, this is the Alienware mechanical, and then the switch is quite nice. So finally, like, this is a 18-inch 16:10, and let me show you a 17.3-inch 16:9 is this one. You can see this is. So I think this is a good one. So let me talk to the. Yeah, I want that one. Yeah, that one. Give me a discount also.
Yeah, I know. I will call 5% next month.
Yeah, you call them first. I pick up tomorrow. I pay today. Okay.
But you want pre-order or you want buy now or you pay up tomorrow?
I pick up tomorrow or Friday, no problem. But I pay today.
Okay.
So finally, I'm getting this one. 460 is really good enough for video editing. I do not see any difference between 460 and 480 for Power Director, which I'm using. But the difference is come when I'm using the photo editing. The CPU is more powerful in the photo editing. Photo editing, you really need more RAM and more powerful CPU, especially for Luminar. I use the Luminar AI Neo, so you need a very powerful CPU. So I think this is my first 18-inch laptop. Again, it's really look very nice. What do you have to say? This is my 18-inch laptop which I'm getting on installment, and then I'm asking for a discount. This is huge. Like, this is 16-inch, this is 18-inch. This is a monster of a laptop. Again, I use Asus. My previous laptop was Asus G18, this one, and I love it. This is a dual screen, but I sold it because I was in need of money. But this laptop is a monster, to be honest with you. Yeah. Yes, okay. This model, okay. Brand new. Okay.
Open now or for tomorrow?
Tomorrow, and then also the free gift, the backpack.
Inside.
Inside, okay. So
You for the installment?
yeah, installment. Bank of China?
Not ban of HSBC?
No.
Oh, ban of China okay because HSBC have a rebate man.
Oh, rebate.
In fact, but you have a 5% less. Oh. Okay. How many months for the installment?
How many months you have? 6 months or 12?
12 or for free? 12 or 18?
18. No, 6 months.
6 months. 6 months have.
6 months have?
Yeah.
6 months, how much? Can you check?
With the 5% less.
Yes.
16498. Yeah. With the 6 month is the each month 2613 around.
2613.
Yeah. With the 12 month 1306 per month.
6 months is okay. And give me some more like free gift. Okay.
Oh, basically
This is
all in that, but
inside.
expensive and the better is this one.
Oh, okay.
You need the very basic the mouse.
Can you show me which mouse basic?
Basic only around 40 to 50 Hong Kong.
Oh, no need.
Because you for this,
No,
if you
no
for
need.
the other computer, okay,
No need.
唔好意思啊。想問咧，中文6個月可以分幾多？
人人都可以成為攝影大王。我會聽見實用之歡啦！今年推出龍珠香港限定禮品，集合多款特色嘅餐具同日用品。
咁啊，擺翻喺家。
So finally, I'm getting this PC, the Asus Scar 18. Let me check the specification. Have 2-year warranty, right?
2-year worldwide。
Oh, thank you very much. As you know, also I have this Lenovo Legion Go.
我俾個位你啦，我唔使開機。